Chocolate and love have been intertwined for centuries. From the Aztecs to the Spanish conquistadors to modern-day Valentine's Day. Chocolate has been a symbol of love and romance. In this video, we'll explore the reasons why chocolate is often seen as a symbol of love. So let's start the journey of chocolate as a symbol of love. Number 1. The history of chocolate as a symbol of love. Chocolate has been associated with love and romance for centuries. The Aztecs believed that chocolate was an aphrodisiac, and the Spanish conquistadors brought chocolate back to Europe, where it quickly became a popular gift for lovers. Number 2. Chocolate and the brain's reward system. Chocolate contains compounds that can have a stimulating effect on the brain's reward system, which is responsible for feelings of pleasure and satisfaction. This can lead to people associating chocolate with positive emotions, such as love and happiness. Number 3. Chocolate and the reduction of stress. Chocolate also contains compounds that can have a relaxing effect on the body, which can help to reduce stress and anxiety. This can make people feel more open and receptive to love. Number 4. The cultural significance of chocolate. Chocolate has different meanings in different cultures. In some cultures, it is seen as a symbol of wealth and luxury, while in others it is seen as a symbol of fertility and abundance. Number 5. The appeal of chocolate packaging. Chocolate is often packaged in attractive and romantic ways, which can further contribute to its association with love. Heart-shaped boxes, red foil wrappers, and other romantic symbols are all common on chocolate packaging. Number 6. The marketing of chocolate. Chocolate is often marketed in a way that associates it with love and romance. Advertisements for chocolate often feature couples in romantic settings, and they often use phrases like sweetheart and lover. Number 7. Chocolate as a metaphor for love. Chocolate is often used as a metaphor for love. For example, the phrase sweetheart is often used to refer to a lover, and the phrase chocolate box is often used to refer to a beautiful woman. Number 8. Chocolate and your memories. Chocolate can often trigger happy memories, which can further contribute to its association with love. For example, you might associate chocolate with a first kiss, a romantic date, or a special holiday. Number 9. The future of chocolate as a symbol of love. Chocolate is likely to continue to be associated with love in the future. As long as chocolate is seen as a delicious, indulgent, and romantic treat, it will likely continue to be a popular gift for lovers. Number 10. Chocolate, the perfect symbol of love? Chocolate is a complex and multifaceted food that has been associated with love for centuries. It is a symbol of love for many reasons, including its physical effects, its cultural significance, its packaging, its marketing, its psychology, its symbolism, and its personal significance. So, there you have it. The reasons why chocolate is often seen as a symbol of love. Whether you believe in the science or the symbolism, there's no denying that chocolate is a delicious and enjoyable way to show your love. Whether you're celebrating Valentine's Day, an anniversary, or just a random day of love, a piece of chocolate is the perfect way to say, I love you. So next time you're looking for a way to show your loved one how much you care, reach for a piece of chocolate. They'll appreciate the gesture, and you'll enjoy the delicious treat. I hope you learned something new about chocolate and love. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos. Thanks for watching.